increasing your vocabulary, slightly but surely. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to focus on an important part of English language learning, collocations. Specifically, we're diving into verb plus adverb collocations with degree adverbs. Our subtopic for this session is slightly increase. This might sound very technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in a fun and engaging way. Before we dig into slightly increase, let's quickly revisit what verb plus adverb collocations are. Collocations are words that frequently go together. In verb plus adverb collocations, an adverb modifies a verb to provide more context. For example, in the phrase, quickly run, quickly is the adverb modifying the verb, run. Now let's understand what degree adverbs are. Degree adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs to indicate the extent or manner to which the action or state they are modifying is done or exists. Examples include very, to, so, quite, rather, and of course our topic for today, slightly. Now, we're at the heart of our topic, slightly increase. Slightly is a degree adverb that suggests a small degree or to a small extent. When paired with increase, we're talking about a small or minor growth, addition, or rise in something. Let's take a look at some examples. 1. After the holiday season, my weight slightly increased. 2. The price of the product slightly increased after the announcement of the new model. These sentences suggest that there was an increase, but it wasn't drastic or significant. The best way to get comfortable with slightly increase and other similar collocations is through practice. Try creating your own sentences using slightly increase and use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice and consistent usage. And there we have it. A deep dive into the verb plus adverb collocation, slightly increase. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a journey. Each new word, phrase, or collocation you learn is a step forward in that journey. As always, we hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.